On 1st July 2022, the state government, through the Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong, had summoned representatives of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, Fastom, for a discussion on their demands. It may be mentioned that during the past few days, the teachers have been camping opposite the Main Secretariat Building to oppose the government's apathy to the plight of the teachers. After the meeting, the spokesperson of Fastom, Main Secretariat, had enlightened reporters on the outcome of the talks between the teachers and the government following its failure to address the grievances of the teachers even after the third cabinet meeting. Main Secretariat informed that the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, had given them a 101% assurance of approval of their demands soon after the next cabinet meeting.
So the reason is this: when we met with the Education Minister, he stated that our demands will be approved soon. So we do not know, when we say soon, it can happen at any point of time. However, today, when we met with the Deputy Chief Minister, we got the exact time frame, which is the next cabinet meeting. And he has assured 101% for that. Which is why if we take a look at how the things have materialized, it means that there has been discussions between the Education Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister and the Chief Minister. So we also stated, we also asked the Deputy Chief Minister, what about if the Chief Minister and the Cabinet maybe they might delay and all. They said that no, they hold on to their word. They said 3 cabinet meetings, and it's just that the problem of the delay, they agreed to the delay. They actually said that yes, there was a delay, and the delay was that in the last cabinet meeting, the Education Minister was absent. But our demands were discussed, but since he was absent, they could not approve.